It's 5 o'clock somewhere, time for a cocktail. If you guys like my episodes, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So today's episode, we're gonna make a Clementine vodka cocktail. We're gonna get started with our glass. We're gonna do a little sugar rim for this one. So cover that in some sugar. So our glass is ready. Our shaker, we're gonna fill it up with some ice. We're gonna do 3 ounces of vodka. Three ounces of fresh clementine juice. 1 ounce of rosemary simple syrup. So I made this by doing equal parts sugar, water, and some sprigs of rosemary. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna shake this up. Put that into the glass, and we're gonna garnish this with some fresh rosemary. And this cocktail is ready. For the full recipe, visit NikkiGlekis.com. Cheers.